Life's a weird mix of things we love and things we put up with for the people we love. Like board games. Not really my thing. But family time, that's what matters. And honestly, I'm just grateful to be here. To be alive, to hear their voices, to see them laugh. It wasn't always like this. There were times when I let my anxieties pull me away from moments like these. But I'm learning. Learning to sit with it, let it pass.
Hello. How are you?
There's something about just being in the moment with them. Even if I don't care who wins, or what the rules are, or why this game even exists, I remind myself that connection matters more than comfort. That showing up is a kind of love, a kind of accountability. Speaking of things that don't always feel comfortable, some of you may know I'm building a house. It's exciting, terrifying, and a whole lot of what have I gotten myself into. But every brick, every frame, every decision I make is an act of commitment to the idea that I belong somewhere, that I get to have stability, and that is not something that I take for granted. Then there's this. The open road. Big skies. Air crisp against my face. This is where my mind clears. Where I can just exist without having to prove anything. But even here, my anxieties ride with me. The doubts. The second guessing. The, am I doing enough? Am I being enough? They're there. But I don't push them away anymore. I acknowledge them. Let them take up space. And then I move forward. Because that's all I can do. Keep moving forward. Writing isn't about escape. It's about being present. Feeling the rumble of the engine, the rhythm of the road, the simple miracle of existing right here, right now. And maybe that's the best kind of reset. The one that doesn't ignore the hard stuff, but moves through it. At the end of the day, it's all about balance. The things we do for others, the things we do for ourselves, the uncomfortable work of holding ourselves accountable, of facing what we'd rather avoid, of embracing both the joy and the discomfort. If I can do that, if I can keep showing up, keep moving forward, keep choosing to be here, maybe that's enough. Maybe that's winning after all.